Know your hazards. How to use Hazard Hunter PH to check your susceptibility level to flood and rain-induced landslides. 1. Go to hazardhunter.𝐴𝐺𝐻.gov.ph. 2. Click current location. 3. Scroll down the right panel for the assessment, possible flood levels and duration, and other hydrometeorological hazard details are stated in the assessment summary. Click View Report Recommendations to view the comprehensive hazard assessment report. It is advised that all local government units, especially the provincial, city, municipal and barangay disaster risk reduction and management councils, as well as the communities, to remain vigilant for possible occurrence of landslides, flood, flash flood and/or debris flow in their respective areas of responsibility. 4. To search for other possible flooded areas, go to the left panel and click Hazards, then click Hydrometeorological, then click Flood MGB or Rain-Induced Landslide MGB. We would also like to emphasize to the public to be aware of the geohazards in your area by checking out MGB published geohazard maps that are uploaded in our official website, mgb.gov.ph. For more information and inquiries, you may email us at central@mgb.gov.ph. Follow our official Facebook account, 𝗏𝗏𝗪𝐺 and Geosciences Bureau. Visit our website, mgb.gov.ph for more updates.